Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by inspecting the text file so you know what you're converting and why. Open the txt in a plain editor, confirm UTF-8 and save a backup. Next, identify the delimiter, comma, tab, pipe, or consistent column widths, because that guides parsing logic. Decide whether you want a flat array of objects or nested JSON with groups and keys. This choice affects field names and mapping. Once done, write a simple sample of 3-5 lines to test parsing before automating. You now parse the file line by line. Split on the chosen delimiter and trim whitespace, and make sure to handle quoted fields and escape delimiters. Map each column to a JSON key, choosing descriptive names, and convert types where appropriate, integers, floats, ISO dates, booleans, so consumers can use data immediately. For large files, stream input and emit JSON objects incrementally to avoid memory spikes. For small files, building an in-memory array is fine. Test with your sample to validate types and keys. You finish by serializing mapped objects to JSON. Choose pretty formatting for readability or compact for size, and write to a temporary file, then atomically replace the target to avoid partial writes. Validate the output against a JSON schema or run a linter to catch structural issues, and load a sample into the consumer app or script to ensure compatibility. If things go wrong, inspect the logged parsing exceptions and the exact original lines. Off-by-one delimiters or stray quotes are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.